Okay, good day. Our another topic is if, else, if, else statement. So we already done with if statement and else if statement. If we say if statement, it has only one condition. But in else if, two iyang condition. Kaning if, else, if, else, it has two or more, three or more conditions. So we have here, it handles three or more conditional expressions. So the possibility of these statements are limitless. It will run a certain code block based on the condition. Okay? So since familiar naman mo sa else if, so I know familiar na pod mo aning. What if kung two or more? So three or more. So muna ni, dili na mo insert ang if, else, if, else. Okay, ay kalimtin nyo ha, nga ang usara ka condition is we have if. Like, if usara ka code block ang inyong ipagawas, then we have to use the if. If duwa ang condition, then we have if, else. But if three or more na gani, then we have to use this statement. If, else statement. Now, so we have here the syntax. So, if, then condition, open and close, then bracket, let's do something. Or else if, another condition, and then do something. Or else, do something. Kaning else, always ni siyang nasa last ha. Hindi siya pwede sa tungaan. Always ni siyang nasa last. Pero, mostly, naman po uban nga, if mag-create sila ingon ani nga statement, na uban nga, wala running else, pwede raman mo wala else, like, puro ra else if. Basta ang pinakauna is if. Ayog sugdi og else if, ha? Ayog pug sugdi og else, di na siya pwede. So, the first condition is always start nga if condition. The next niya is, if ganahan kag three or more nga condition, then you have to use else if. If you want to, pwede na po else if. Else if, then daghang else if, okay ra. Basta ang pinakalas niya is else. Muna siya pattern ha. Okay, we have here the practical example. So, if the age is greater or equal to 18, then you are legal. Or else, if the age is greater or equal to 13, then you need parent consent. Or else, too young. So, which means sa else, if wala aning nga condition, if wala aning first condition, wala pod aning second nga condition, then dili ma-fall ang mga wala sa condition sa else. Nasa else sila na falls. Okay? So, not unless if magbutang kag 8 to 10. So, pwede ka mag else if na pod. Else if the age is 8 to 10, then another na pod nga condition nga imong ganahang gawas. For example, so if age is greater or equal to 18, may siya. Dugangan nato another. So, if age is greater to 14, then you need parent consent. Kana. If kailan po sukag another one. Error siya ha, kay kulangan tag bracket. Okay, careful tani mga bracket ha. So, mani mga code block. Ano siya? And then, as if the age, kulangan tag bracket. Ano man eh? Na-double. So, yung patagayikan para makita ninyo. Okay, this one. Bracket, dere, sumpay, then iyahong sumpay kani. Okay? Pero kani, ato na. Error siya, kaya na-double. So, reklamo siya kay double atong kan gaya na. Something ana. Okay? So, yan na pagbay ka. Ang bracket, kani kauban first code block and then Pwede po pressure if pwede mo malibot o kana. O kana. So which means kani may first code block, then second code block, then third na code block. Okay, so per code block na ay bracket dire, then end po niya. Yang ka-partner nga curly bracket po. Okay, so then another let's say age, ganan pa kog lain nga kuan statement. So else if niya, so else if the age, reklamo siya kay kulangan o bracket nakana. So 14 above, if 10 above, you are kid. Sample kid, sample ni siya. Or else you are not legal age. Or else so you are not allowed. Ano natin? Oh, kana. Okay, so we have here if nga condition, diba? But we have 2, 3 or more conditions. So ang mahitabo else if, dagang else if, or if you want pa jud more, then you can add more else if, ano, kopyara dire, more else if, and then iyang last is else. Okay, so there are some nga wala na po else ang last, pero I recommend nga mas nice if not else ang last. Okay, so here if the age here is 5, so what will happen? Iyang i-read ning pinakauna nga condition. If true ba ni or false. So since 5, this 5 is greater or equal to 18, so it's not. Diba? So false, dali na po siya sa next condition. So pag read niya diri false sa Japon, dali na po. Pag false sa Japon, ang mahitabo kani may yahog ipagawas. Kani diri. So sa mga walay condition, ma-fall jud sila sa else. So ang mahitabo, if going to run, then you are not allowed. Okay? So if the age is 12, then read niya una, it's false. Kani yan i-read, it's false. And then kanina po, does 12 is greater or equal to 10, diba? So 12 is greater than 10. So you are kid, yung output. Then you are kid. Okay? So that's for if else nga statement. And then if ganan ka nga kaning usa ka condition, like dagan siyang output or dagan siyang masay, so we have to cover and copy paste this one. Okay, so let's say kuanda ko ni 18. So if atong i-run, then kaning man iyahong kaning part ng condition is true man, so iyang i-print ni tanan. So something ana, you are legal. Okay, that one, this is what 2 or more nga lines. You can use this kani. Pero nakoy tip lang po, if ganan ka single line, danang condition is single line lang, dili kaya ani nga daghang lines, mas simply if imo lang ni siyang itapad ani siya kani, di ay siya ma-error kana kung single lang siya, ha. Then kaon ako yung mga bracket, ha. Okay, wala siya nag-error, no? Kaya puro manggod siya single line. So that one, mali siya. If single line, pwede mo mag-ingon ani, mas dali siya, diba? Diba? Mura ni siya. So for example, sorry, let's say 1 year old sa ato ni Iran, so you're not allowed, still running ang gabon siya, diba? So if kani 10 to siya Iran, you are kid, diba? Okay, pwede rin siya ingon ani single line if mag single line ka, but if ganahan ka nga dagan kang i-print like this one, ako mo print ko, ha, dagan ani nga condition, ani nga condition, ana ma-error na siya, diba? Not unless if atong ang buhaton if mag multiple na ka og line ani, Putang nila bracket dire. So, kani. And then, di put sa last. Tira siya mo. Error. So, pre ka ganin ha. Maka na. I know. Maka na. So, if ganan kag daghang line, ang output. So, that's why you have to use this bracket. No? Para daghan siyang ma-output. So, if ito siyang i-18, working agad na siya. Okay. But if for gan kag single line, pwede naman din gamitin nga style nga wala ray bracket. Okay. So, again, pang siya, pang single line na siya ha. But if ganahan ka o like daghang line, multiple line ang output, then we have to use this one. Okay, but you can also use this one pang single line. Okay, if you want. Pero mas paspas ni siya. Kaning away. If ganahan mo. Okay? So, that's the tip. Yun na siya. So, yun naman siya as of now. So, we have here a hands-on. Another hands-on for today. So, make an if. Sorry. I'm sorry. Else, and then if else statement. Okay. So, make an if else statement with user input according to the following conditions. So, again, the user allows to input any value of grade. So, you have to use the scanner ha. Katong scanner is kasi new scanner gamiton nimo to ha. Kay we want nga mag-input jud kag value. Okay. And then the grade is what? If the grade is 75 below, you are failed. If the grade is 75 to 89, then you are passed. If the grade is 90 to 94, we have with honors. If the grade is 95 to 97, we have with high honors. And 98 to 100, we have with highest honors. Okay, so pila ni ka condition? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 conditions. So, mo ni inyong gamon. Okay, this is your last hands-on for today. And kani siya is dapat user input. Okay, the user will allow to input the grades. Ayaw tong kaan. Okay, so if you have any question or clarification, raise your hand and ask your teachers. Bye everyone.